This is the Edifier X5 which I've been using for the past 12 months, which I got on Jumia during the Xmas promo for 10,559 naira, and I would say it has been a sweet experience using it. But there's one thing I really don't like, but you might like it, but I personally don't like it, and it is very obvious. What's up guys, it's Michael. Like I said earlier, I got this device on Jumia during the Xmas Pro for 10,559 naira, but currently it goes on sale for close to 15 to 20,000 naira, which you can use my link in the description box below. First off, I love the sound quality of these earbuds. It sounds amazing. It seems it has ANC, which is environmental noise cancellation, which means that it cancels the noise around me, and I do get this when I put the volume up to 60 to 75%. It is not good to put the volume of your earbuds at 100%, so you won't damage your ears. The sound quality has been amazing. I totally love it. It is one of the best earbuds I've used around this price point in terms of sound quality, which is one of the favorite things I love about this Edifier X5. Aside from that, it has IP55 water and dust resistant rating, and I will advise you, it is not waterproof. It is not waterproof. Listen to me well. It is not waterproof, but water resistant, in the sense that it doesn't mean that you should put the earbuds inside the water. It can survive splashes, which I do take this to bath occasionally in the bedroom, and I would say I haven't had any issues during my usage. Also, it has a Type-C charging port with a lightning indicator, which is red. And let's go to the thing I really don't like about this device, but you might just think it is because it is affordable, that is why it is there, which is the build quality. I am not attacking them for this, but to me it feels really cheap compared to its competitors, which is Oraimo that I've used in the past. I prefer the Oraimo Reef, which is around the same price as this, to this X5 in terms of build quality, not sound. This is way better than the Oraimo Reef in sound quality for me. As you can see, even from here it has scratched a lot. If you like the Oraimo, I won't see all the scratches. It is so obvious on here. Even when you're putting it in the ear, you can feel it when you take it out of the case. It has a decent battery life, which if I charge it for about 5 to 10 minutes, I can play for an hour or two. Also, like I said, because of the build quality, it isn't that comfortable in my ears, but I can manage it for it being in my ear for 2.5 hours with some little pains. At least I have to compromise some things because of the sound quality, which I really love. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly hit on the subscribe button below. Tell me why you would love to buy this device if you are really interested in the sound quality. The sound quality is really amazing. I'm emphasizing on this because the sound quality has been really amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Quit at it.